When I was little, my father was famous. He was the greatest samurai in the empire. He cut off the heads of 131
Hey everybody,
lords.
Jerry Williams, aka Greater Sapien here. Thanks for stopping by. Today, let's look at two more claims from Eric Dubay's 200 Proofs Earth is Not a Spinning Ball, number 119 and 120. It is claimed that the other planets are spheres, and therefore Earth must also be a sphere. Firstly, Earth is a plane, not a planet. So the shape of these planets in the sky have no bearing on the shape of the Earth beneath our feet. Secondly, these planets have been known for thousands of years around the world as wandering stars, since they differ from other fixed stars in their relative motions only. When looked at with an unprejudiced naked eye or through a telescope, the fixed wandering stars appear as luminous disks of light, not spherical terra firma. These pictures and videos shown by NASA of spherical terra firma planets are all clearly fake computer-generated images, not photographs. The etymology of the word planet actually comes from late Old English planete, from Old French. You know, I'm not going to be rude and butcher all these words in other languages. You can clearly read them. Flat surface, plane, level plane, planus, flat level, even, plane, clear. They just added a T to our Earth plane and everyone bought it. Okay, so first off, you will never hear me say the other planets are spheres, so therefore Earth must also be a sphere. That's not a claim that I make. I will say that when a celestial body gets enough mass, it will naturally form into a sphere, and that has happened with all the planets, and that has happened with the Earth. That's a different thing. When the other planets are spheres, therefore claim is being thrown at you, they're just being facetious, just needling you. When you say that the pictures and videos shown by NASA are all clearly fake computer-generated images, you are once again just saying, nuh-uh. You don't believe it. You don't want to believe it, so you claim it's fake. But that's not a proof. That's an unsupported claim, and thus will be dismissed. This claim also brings up the natural implication that when non-NASA individuals have telescopes that allow them to see the planets for the spherical terra firma objects they are somehow either lying about it, or the industry of telescope makers have hacked the telescopes in a way to show that the results that NASA wants them to show, and that's just silly. The rest of the claims that talk about the etymology of the word planet are just more foolishness. I'm sorry, but are we casting spells here? Does the original meaning of a word somehow change the reality of what we're observing? There have been a lot of claims among the 120 claims we've looked at so far, but this has to be among the lamest. I'm not going to give it any more time or energy because that's not proof of anything. It's just fucking dumb.
That's my job! That's what I do! I don't lose! I win! Is there no one on this planet to even challenge me?
Maybe you came by to congratulate me on last night's victory.